Welcome to this lesson on sort-object, one of the most useful cmdlets in PowerShell for organizing your data. When you work with PowerShell, you often get results that aren't in the order you need. Sort-object solves this problem by letting you arrange objects exactly how you want them. Whether you're sorting processes by name, files by size, or any other data by its properties, this cmdlet gives you complete control over how your results are organized. Sort-object is a cmdlet that sorts objects by their property values. You can sort in either ascending order, which goes from lowest to highest or A to Z, or descending order, which goes from highest to lowest or Z to A. The cmdlet takes objects from the pipeline, looks at the properties you specify, and returns them in the order you request. This is incredibly useful when you need to find the largest files, the most resource-intensive processes, or simply alphabetize a list. Let's look at the basic syntax. You pipe objects into sort-object and specify which property to sort by using the dash property parameter. In this example, get-process pipes all running processes to sort-object, which then sorts them by the name property. This will give you an alphabetically sorted list of all processes. The syntax is straightforward. The cmdlet you're getting data from, followed by the pipe symbol, then sort-object, and finally the property name you want to sort by. By default, sort-object sorts in ascending order. This means numbers go from smallest to largest, and letters go from A to Z. You don't need to specify anything extra for ascending order. However, if you want to reverse the order, you add the descending parameter. For example, sort-object name gives you ascending order, while sort-object name descending gives you descending order. This is particularly useful when you want to see the highest values first, like finding processes using the most memory. You can sort by multiple properties at once by listing them separated by commas. When you do this, PowerShell sorts by the first property, and then for items that have the same value in that property, it sorts by the second property. In this example, get-process is sorted first by CPU usage, and then by name. So processes with the same CPU usage will be alphabetically ordered within that group. This gives you fine-grained control over how your data is organized. For even more control, you can use hash tables. This allows you to specify different sort orders for different properties. In this example, we're sorting files from get-childitem. The hash table specifies that we want to sort by length in descending order to get the largest files first. Then, for files of the same size, we sort by name in the default ascending order. The expression key tells sort-object which property to use, and the descending key set to $true reverses the sort order for that property. Sort-object has several useful parameters. The unique parameter removes duplicate values from your results, showing each unique value only once. The top parameter returns only the top n items after sorting, which is perfect for getting the largest or highest values. The bottom parameter does the opposite, returning only the bottom n items. Finally, the stable parameter maintains the original order for items that have equal values, ensuring predictable results when items tie in the sort property. Let's put it all together with a practical example. This command gets all files in the current directory with get-childitem, pipes them to sort-object, sorts by the length property in descending order, and then uses -top5 to return only the 5 largest files. This is a common task when you need to find what's taking up space on your disk. Notice how we chain the parameters together: the property to sort by, the sort direction, and the number of results to return. This gives you powerful data, filtering in just one line.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.